Welcome back, guys. So this new week pairs of interest. So you can see currently this is March 16th, 2025, Sunday. This is the third week of March, and these are my pairs I'll be looking at. And this week I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but before I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5. See, so I had a total of 13 pairs. These I don't count them because I always look at them just in case. Yeah, Bitcoin, gold, USDT, Nasdaq. Yeah. So let me just do a quick short recap on how I chose these pairs over these 12 pairs. So firstly, we have NZD Japanese, NZD USD. Currently you can see this market is still bearish, like I told you that other week. It's still bearish. So even if the market has broken above this level here, I'm still only looking at sales. You see, I'm still looking at sales, and more I wouldn't even like to take this trade because we are the whole time low right there, and you can see market has even started rejecting this zone. So I expect even a deeper pullback to the upside. Yeah, so for now I can only take this trade if market can trace back to this level right there, then I'll look for sales. But for now I'm very much okay with this pair, you see. Yeah, so maybe unless if it did something like this, then I would wait for that to happen, then maybe sell. Or if the daily, let me switch to daily time frame. Just do this. Okay. If the daily time frame can break below again, then retest, then I would sell to the downside, because me, I'm only interested in sales since we are bearish on the weekly. Yeah, and even on the daily we are still bearish, mind you, because this is our lower high and this is our lower low, so we are still bearish. So market is still bearish, you see. But for me, I'm just interested if it can break below this level, and in this case I'm not interested on this pair. This is USD CHF. I like the way this pair has been moving in the daily time frame. I like the way it's been moving. I think I caught some sales at this level after the break and retest. Yeah, and for me, I would only participate on this trade if we can break above this resistance right there, or if we can break below this support right here. Because if I switch to the weekly time frame, you can see we are still bearish. We are still very bearish. So this is our higher low and this is our higher high. So market is still bearish, and we didn't close below this higher low, so we are still bullish. Sorry, until we close below this level, then we'll look for sales. But for now, I'll just be watching. So I might look at this pair maybe next week, yeah, or this week Sunday, this week Saturday, to see how it will close. If it will close above, then it will even be better, since we'll be buying with the trend which is which is bullish, and if it closes below, then we'll simply wait for the retest, because now market will shift to from bullish to bearish. So for now, not interested in that pair. Then we have GBP CHF. This market is very bearish. You can see this is our lower high, this is our lower low, and it's just in this choppiness right now. This is just market structure, because we've not closed above or below. Yeah, some of you'd think no, we are now bullish. No, on the weekly we are still bearish, maybe on the daily, but let's try to see what's going on the daily. Yeah, on the daily we might have turned bullish after we closed above this lower high, higher low right there at this pair. So we on the daily we are currently bullish. This is our lower high, this is our higher low, and this is our new higher high right there. That's if you are trading with the daily time frame. So all you have to do in this case, if you are using the daily time frame, is just to wait for, since market has broken above this level, and this is your lower higher low, this is your higher high. So all you need is a retest at this level, this structure level right there, then to look for buys on the daily time frame. So all you need is that small retest to buy. That's if you are looking at the daily time frame, and this is the 4-hour time frame, you see. But for me, personally, this is not the type of trade I would be taking, just because it's just not that clean. But yeah, if you can take a day trade, you can take a day trade on that level if you want. Yeah, because you also have, yeah, but skip. Then we have USDJPY. USDJPY is currently, what do we have now? Guys? It's now bearish, and we can see we closed below. So this is our new lower low right there. Yeah, and this is our, we are still using this as our lower high, this one right here. Then this can be our first level of interest at this point right there, you see. Then we can also have another one at that level, you see. So that's why we are waiting for market to retest, so we can continue with the sales, you know. So it might even push at this level, drop, or at that level, then sell to the downside. Yeah, but for me, I also have this Canadian Japanese, you see, Canadian Japanese, and for me this pair just looks cleaner compared to this level right here. So that's why I chose Canadian Japanese, but it would do the same. It's the same. It just depends on which one will make the most sense and which one looks cleaner for you to take. Yeah, but that's it for USD Japanese. So that's why I passed that pair. Then we have Euro AUD. You can see we still need this deep retracement to this level right here. So the daily you can see is now currently trying to form some structure. Yeah, so we are still just waiting. I need this pair to drop from here up to 1.67942, then look for buys. So probably by this week we'll have some market structure in order to look for sell day trades to the downside. Maybe we might have a double bottom or head and shoulders or any pattern, but for now no. Then euro chf if I do this input in the weekly, we're also waiting for this deep retracement at this level. Yeah, so which one now looks cleaner? Because euro chf, euro aud, and euro nzd is they all have the same setups. They are all likely to sell. So now which one are we going to pick? The only thing I don't like about these pairs is because it's been long since market touched this level, and notice what always happens when it touches it retests, but I like that it has broken above, finally broken above this level. So it's giving me confidence that if we can have that nice deep retracement, then we might push to the upside even more, you see. But yeah, and compared to euro chf, let's see if I do this. Euro chf, I like it because it was on the downside. So yes, we have at least there is market structure on this other side. You see, we have levels we can target our, let's say we enter our buys, we have our structure point. Now look at euro nzd. If let's say market was to retest this level, then we look for buys. We don't even know where it might stop. You see, all we have is wicks, and which is euro chf. You see what they like about this pair? At least there is that level where you can put your structure point. Yeah, you see. Yeah, so I think I might even switch this. Yeah, I might even switch between these two. Yeah, for this we could look at this one. Let me just do this and do this. Okay, so then we have GPP card. This one we still need to give it a week for it to retrace back to this level. I mean, I'm interested in. So even on the daily time frame, we still need that push. So no, we pass this. Then we have GPP USD. We are waiting for this retest at this level, then to buy at that level right here. So we might even set the alarm, the alert right there. Then there's AUD CHF. Yeah, so even here I have two pairs, AUD CHF or AUD NZD. Which one looks more cleaner? You see, which one looks more cleaner between this one or AUD CHF? don't let me switch to daily weekly time. So you can see market is currently on its way to retest this level. So AUDCHF, then we have AUDNZD. Even this one, market has already broken above. So all we need is that weak pullback. Oh, so let me give you an example of what I want the market to do for us. I just want the market to do what it did at this level. You see what it did at this level. Let me just, yeah, you see what it did here. It did market had a nice break, then it formed a wick. You see this, it formed a wick, then headed to the downside. So even here, I want the new weekly candle to form that wick retracement, then head to the downside. Then the other week, that's when we might have the initial pullback to the level, then we can sell again. So for now, I want this to happen at that level right there. You see? So personally, I would have to pick one from these two: GBP AUD. Yeah, we're waiting for that retest, and AUD we are also waiting for that retest to that level. Then NZD, still the same retest. GBP NSD, market on its way to retest that level. Then we have Canadian Japanese, still waiting for that retest. So which one should we pick? Let's switch to the daily time frame. See, so we have this one and that one. So we'll just stick to Euro NZD, yeah, for now. I would also look for buys on this pair, but I don't like the way it's at its all-time high. Let's see among this. Even this other GBP, where is the same thing. This one is a bit better, but it's the one we also don't want because it just had this. It's still bearish. It's still bearish. So, but yeah. Anyway, this is our. We'll pick some from this, but my number one setup on this, is this one, AUDNZD, then Euro CHF, then we have GBP then we have GBP USD. So we'll pick from these three. So I was telling you this one we might have picked it, but we still need more. We still need more price action to go to the downside. Yeah. But so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs we'll be looking at for this week. So I'll update you guys on how these trades will be playing out. Yes.